Welcome to Philippines Discovery. Lisa here, your honorary Filipina. Today we are going to talk about the BALIKBAYAN box, shipping things back to the Philippines, whether you're moving there or on a short-term basis. So just a quick pronunciation tip, it is not balikbayan. Sometimes non-natives say it pretty quickly like myself, but balikbayan. What is it? It's a shipping service that Filipinos use to send things back to the Philippines, mostly for their family, but you as a foreigner, if you're going to move there or be there for an extended period, instead of using DHL, FedEx, those companies are too expensive. Why? Because they don't have a flat rate. BALIKBAYAN box companies don't weigh your box. It's not based on weight, but you do have to use the company's box. So put as much as you can into it. It's a medium-sized box, I would say. Here's a photo of Freedom Cargo's box. You must use their box. They charge you a fee, maybe like $10 a box. Make sure it's a verified company that you're going to use. And some ways to check for companies is if you have a local Filipino restaurant, they usually have connections with BALIKBAYAN services, or internet search, or ask a friend or somebody that's used this service before to make sure it's legitimate. So they will come to your home. Once you tape up the box, don't use duct tape. They'll come and pick up the box for you. You fill out a customs form, and it takes about 2 to 3 months to get there. So 2 to 3 months is because it goes by sea. And it really depends on when you're shipping. If it's during the holidays, of course, it'll take closer to the 3 months. So you ship your things by sea. And what's nice about it is you can ship as many boxes as you like. Just a tip about what to line the box with. A friend of mine uses just a bed sheet. In case something leaks, it doesn't leak through the box, or if there is a punctured hole, things won't fall out of the box. So it's a good way to secure your items. Put things in it such as clothing, bags, anything to save yourself space, because you only get 2 suitcases on international flights. So really think about what you want to go into the box. You should have a to-do list. Of course, the things that you need to do before you move or contemplate moving, but also you should create a list of things that you want to go in the boxes. So really think about that so you can save space instead of trying to stuff your suitcase. Put things in boxes. Electronics, this is something that you would want to pack either with you or in the box, depending, but electronics are more expensive in the Philippines, so you definitely want to bring your electronics. Just make sure that you're checking the voltage. Always have a converter, because of course, depending on the country you're coming from, the Philippines might not match up, and we certainly don't want you to set your apartment or house on fire. So anything electronic, make sure you're checking. Bring lots of shorts, especially bigger sizes, because the Filipinos are petite and shorter, so you'll have a hard time finding extra large or large t-shirts and shorts, so be sure to pack enough of those things. Be sure to pack sneakers, comfortable shoes, because you will be doing a lot of walking, especially if you don't plan on getting a car, so make sure you pack plenty of footwear. Just a couple bonus tips here in this video. You can get services like housekeeping. You can hire someone relatively inexpensive to clean your home in the Philippines, so that's a nice upgrade. You can get someone to do your laundry. One friend of mine paid 1,000 pesos a month, which is about $20 US, for someone to wash clothes for her. So those are 2 services that suddenly you can get in the Philippines because it's affordable as opposed to your home country. So that's kind of a nice bonus. So a nice tip for you. Maybe think about budgeting for those 2 services. They do hang clothes in the Philippines like some other countries, so it's pretty common just to hang them on a clothesline to dry. And of course, they do have laundromats in the Philippines. Somebody could do it for you. Thank you for watching. There is a more detailed video that was done on BALIKBAYAN, so I'll link it in the description. See you next time on Philippines Discovery.